You probably think ChatGPT is for structure, Claude is for long-form editing, and Gemini is for search, and that's enough. But that's just using tools, not using AI well. High performers don't just use AI. They design how different AI systems work together. Most people make the same mistake. They keep iterating on the same content inside one AI. It feels like improvement, but you're actually degrading clarity and structure. The more you refine it in one place, the more average the output becomes. A better approach is to assign different roles to different AI systems. You can break the workflow into 3 layers: generation, reasoning, and validation. Step 1 is not asking ChatGPT for a perfect answer. It's about generating multiple directions at once. The goal isn't a single answer, it's option space. This is divergent thinking, and ChatGPT is extremely good at it. Step 2 is sending those drafts to Claude, not for light editing, but for restructuring. Claude excels at compressing information and aligning logic. It removes redundancy and makes ideas more dense without losing meaning. This step is really about increasing information density. Step 3 is using Gemini as the final layer. Not to generate, but to validate and enrich. It helps align your output with real-world information. This is what we call grounding. When you connect these 3 steps, something changes. You're not just faster, you make fewer mistakes. Your output goes from acceptable to actually usable. But in reality, switching between multiple AI tools isn't easy. That's why some people use platforms like GAMS Go to simplify access to multiple tools. It's not about which AI you use, it's about how you make them work together.